Welcome to the exciting journey of parenthood and childcare. You are on My Baby Fitness. It's time to get stronger. Hey there. Congratulations, if you're expecting a baby, you're probably wondering what to pack in your hospital bag. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will give you a hospital bag checklist for new moms so you don't forget anything on the big day. It's recommended to pack your hospital bag a few weeks before your due date, ideally around week 36 or 37 of your pregnancy. This is because babies can sometimes arrive earlier than expected, and you want to be prepared just in case. First things first, let's talk about the bag itself. You want to choose a bag that's big enough to hold everything you need, but also easy to carry. A duffel bag or a backpack is a good choice. You'll want to pack comfortable clothing for your hospital stay. This includes loose-fitting pajamas or nightgowns, a robe, and slippers or socks. Don't forget to pack a going-home outfit for you and your baby. Next, you'll want to pack your toiletries. This includes a toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, deodorant, and any other personal items you may need. You may also want to pack makeup or hair products if that's important to you. If you plan to breastfeed, you'll want to pack nursing supplies. This includes nursing bras, breast pads, nipple cream, and a breast pump if you plan to use one. Labor can be a long process, so you'll want to pack some entertainment to pass the time. This can include books, magazines, a tablet or laptop, or anything else that helps you relax. You'll need to have your phone charged and prepared to use during your visit at the hospital. Bringing a phone charger will guarantee that you can remain associated with loved ones and take photos of your new child. You'll also need to pack essentials for your baby. This includes diapers, wipes, a hat, socks, and a few changes of clothes. You may also want to pack a blanket or swaddle for your baby. Don't forget to pack any important documents you may need, such as your ID, insurance card, and birth plan. It's also a good idea to bring a pen and notebook to take notes or jot down questions for your healthcare provider. It's vital to remain hydrated and nourished during labor and delivery, so carry a few snacks and beverages with you to the hospital. You may not feel like eating during labor, but having some snacks available can provide you with an increase in energy when you really want it. After giving birth, you'll experience bleeding, so it's a good idea to bring maternity pads and disposable underwear to the hospital. These are designed to be more absorbent and comfortable than regular pads and underwear. Don't forget to pack these in your bag. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. You may catch us on. Stay curious and stay informed.